Hey y'all, it's Grace at LivingWell Realty. I am back here in Annatown Square for my very last video. My sweet clients have been building at this Mooreville plan with Pulte, and it looks beautiful. We just did our final walkthrough, and I wanted to give y'all one last look. So let's go take a look at all of their design elements and this beautiful floor plan before it gets passed over to my sweet clients. Let's go take a look. All right, so we are gonna hop inside here. This is our last video, as I mentioned. So first of all, I wanted to show y'all the landscaping, and then we have our stained shutters up, and it looks so beautiful. So let's hop inside. Everything has been finished. So this is gonna be really exciting to show y'all all of the progress. It has been a long time coming, and I'm excited to show y'all. So here we are at the entryway, and you can see everything completed. All of the light fixtures, they have fixed all of the blue and green tape items. So we are officially moving ready. So let's start at the front of the house. We have our guest room up here with a full bathroom, the double vanities, black hardware, very pretty. And I was telling my clients that it's so smart to go with a neutral color palette when you go to the design center, because it's so much easier to bring color and different design elements afterwards. But keeping everything kind of monochromatic throughout the house makes it look so seamless. And I think that's such a smart decision. Some people get a little crazy at the design center because there's so many options. It can be really overwhelming, but keeping things kind of the same, I think, is so smart. And you'll notice what a lot of the model houses do. They'll keep things looking pretty similar throughout the house, and it gives it an element of unison where you may not know exactly what's causing that, but you know that it looks good. So here is a formal dining room. Very pretty space. I love the floors and the upgraded baseboards. That makes such a big difference, makes it look a lot more custom. And then we're gonna hop over here to the study. And the sun is starting to set, so it's getting a little bit dark. But here is that study. We do have a ceiling fan in here. And then, of course, the double doors with the glass. Looks so pretty. Right next to our laundry room. And they have a little bit of storage under the stairs here. Great for those extra Costco things, trips from the grocery store, or luggage. Always great spot to put luggage under the stairs. And then they added the sink, which is so smart. I love a sink in the laundry room. I think that's very important. This over here is the mud bench that comes in from the garage. So that looks very nice. We have hooks, a little storage down at the bottom. All right, heading into the kitchen and the main living space. Y'all, how beautiful is this? It's so pretty. All right, so I want to give you a close-up look at their countertops, their backsplash. So pretty. Everything's kind of a creamy tone with these dark knobs. And then they also, one of my favorite things that they picked actually is the black sink. I think it's so unique and different, and it looks so good with the countertops, with their cabinets, and love the contrast of it. Of course, with that black faucet too. Looks so pretty. So y'all did a great job. I'm super impressed. And then over here we have a breakfast nook. So you could put a little extra table here or make it a sitting area. That's what I did with my own home. I turned the breakfast nook into a sitting area to sit and have coffee. And I love it. It's one of my favorite spaces, actually. Right here is our living room. So you can see those baseboards, nice windows. We have a big ceiling fan. And then they, of course, added some lighting, which is such a good idea. So much easier to do with the builder as opposed to later. And real quick, I'll show you their patio. So here's that patio. We do have a gas stub out here. And there's their yard, very good size, feels really private back here, which is nice. If y'all go ahead and put that pool in, first of all, invite me over, but second of all, y'all are gonna have some good privacy, be able to throw some fun parties back here. And they also added, which is so smart, the blinds that are inside the window, if y'all can tell. So they don't rattle when you open and close it, they don't get tangled. I think that is such a smart decision. That was actually something that the builder himself recommended after the fact, and they were able to get it in there. And then over here we have this desk area, which I believe is gonna be used as a bar. And it's a great spot for that. If you've seen the other videos, I know I've mentioned that before. That's gonna be super fun. And then the primary suite, once you get furniture in here, it's gonna be so cozy. It's a nice big room, very long, lots of space. And of course they are ready for a TV up on the wall. Lots of windows back here as well. Here is that bathroom. So as I mentioned before, ties in with the colors of the kitchen and the rest of the house, as well as the black fixtures. So pretty. And then a gray kind of color tile, which I think these cabinets look a little more gray with the tile, but then they look a little more cream with the wood floors. So it's a really good color because it kind of blends with what you have it next to. And then the dark black shower frame. Looks very nice. Big old closet back here. Lots of storage space. Room to do a big custom closet if y'all want to. And then this closet right here is the water closet. Also where the toilet is. All right, so we will head upstairs and I'll show y'all the bedrooms that we have up there with the media room and game room. But man, it is so fun to see this one finished. Pulte moved really fast on this one and it looks really good. They did not sacrifice quality in their speed, which I appreciate. They've been awesome to work with. And my clients, y'all picked such beautiful things. I'm so excited for y'all to make this home. We should be closing tomorrow, which is crazy. All right, so here is that game room. So they did a final clean up here. You can see some foot traffic on the carpet just from our walkthrough just now. But this open railing makes it look so pretty. The normal is a half wall, so definitely a good upgrade to choose if you are building. I think that one's always worth it. And then here is our media room. Very big space right here. Wired and ready for speakers and a big TV. This is gonna be such a great space. It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait to see what y'all do with it, how you decorate. I see lots of popcorn and movies in your future. And then we have a couple guest rooms up here, which could also be a great extra office space if needed. So here is one of the rooms. The blinds are closer. It looks a little bit dark, but very nice little view. See some of the other houses in the neighborhood. And then here is the other bedroom, and then I'll show y'all the bathroom last. So pretty similar in size. That back one might be just a little bit bigger, but we are also upgraded and ready for a TV in here if needed. It's gonna be a great space. And then here's a look at the closet real quick. So we have a single hang pretty good amount of space with a shelf. All right, and then our final bathroom up here, similar color selection. We have the sink, toilet, and a shower, so this is a full bath. And a pretty light fixture up there as well. I'll give y'all a look at this tile up here. Very pretty gray color. And I always recommend using your money usually downstairs in the kitchen in the primary suite, because that's where you spend most of your time. So up here, use something that's not a super expensive upgrade, because you can make it look wonderful like my clients did. And I definitely think that it's worth it to have that extra money to use downstairs. So that is it for this house tour. It is about to be turned over to my suite clients in about 24 hours. So that's it for this one. Hope y'all enjoyed. And to my clients, I'm so excited for y'all. I can't wait for you to make this home. All right, y'all, that is it for this beautiful home. We are about to turn it over to my very sweet clients to make this place home, and I am so excited. If you are watching this wanting to build with Pulte or in Anna or anywhere else, I would love to help you. So reach out to me. My information is below, and until then, y'all stay blessed.